What's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are finally starting on the cab of this truck. I kind of want to break everything down, get everything set so we can start tearing into these rockers and cab corners. I got to start taking everything off. Vent visors here. We could probably get the mirrors off, the body side molding off. As for up front here, I really do want to get this grille off, the headlights off, and possibly our front bumper. Also in the process, I want to take our front flares off, see what kind of rust or whatever's going on underneath here, see if there's any hidden rust we haven't seen yet. Hoping I don't have to order 2 new front fenders because that would suck. But with all of that off and disconnected, we should be in a good spot to start on our rockers. I'm going to check online, see if I can do this with the doors on. If not, we will work on taking those off as well. If you guys haven't seen this or you're new to the channel, the typical Chevy rocker panel and cab corner rust here. As you can see, it's rusting its way up. Yeah, that's just not good, and these are just completely gone. The inner rocker panel is also gone, so we have both inners, both outers, and both cab corners. So I'm super excited about this whole process here because this truck is definitely going to transform 100% here, getting all this stuff done. So the easiest thing, kind of first thing I want to tackle, honestly, is this freaking door molding. I know a lot of you kind of like it. Some do, some don't. I kind of just want to get it off and not put it back on when I don't know. Also, some people said chrome wheels on this truck. I don't know. Let me find my scraper here. Nope. And over here, aha, here's one. Just use the biggest one because why not? Sticky. Okay. I don't know. It looks weird with it off almost now that I took it off. Also, while I'm at it, I want to say thank you to everyone who participated in my birthday sale. Oh, you guys are unreal. I appreciate all of your support. This one was already like coming off. I do have new headlights for this. They're inside. I know. They got like daytime running lights and stuff. They're super neat. These are going ta-ta, all fogged up. Yes, you can like polish them out so the foggy's gone, but I wanted our own little flair on this truck, so new headlights inside. I might break them out and show you guys them today. Three screws only? Huh. There's the hole. That is not good. Oh, and this one's got 4 somehow. So this one looks pretty darn solid up here. Little bit of bubbling going on, so nothing horrible. However, down here, we are not in the best shape, but at minimal enough damage that I can sand this down and actually repair this side. I'm gonna have to see how much we're gonna have to cut off with the wheels and tires I'm gonna go with. That'll make my decision a lot easier if I want to buy a new fender and cut that, or just kind of cut this one up a little bit. This might work out in our favor. I honestly love, so does everyone, the Chevy headlight mounting back in the day. These cat eyes are just unreal. This pin, and there it is. Everything else is quite simple. The usual connectors. And there we have it. There's a little plastic tab there, and there's also one right here that you just kind of push. And there we have it. He looks all sad without headlights and like disassembled. But I hope you guys enjoy this and seeing what actually goes into doing, well, I guess once you see the results of everything done, hopefully you guys see what goes into building a truck like this. Nothing gonna be crazy, but it's super simple and just a fun little build. I need to get a new panel tool. My old one broke. There's that. If I had the right tool, this would be so much easier. So close. So close. There we go. Put these right here. And then by the looks of it, this grill, I already snapped it out of that hole. And then looks like snapped into every other hole. There we go, the front end is disassembled. Headlights and grill all off. Super easy removal. I love old trucks that are designed like this. Makes our jobs as hobbyists to do this so much easier. Next step in this process is our front bumper. Some people will be like, oh, why are you taking it off? Well, it's either getting painted or replaced with the black one, or the black one is going to be put on and that's going to be painted. So that's why this is coming off. With the grill and headlights out, you have your upper bolts accessible through here, this cutout and this cutout. They're 15mm bolts. In there you see that rusty support bar and that bolt that is holding the bumper on. So you need that bolt, one right there, and same on the other side, and we'll be good. So let's get into that real quick and then repeat on this side. Okay, I have been mistaken. There are two more underneath, but on the inside, and you just ratchet them off, and we should be good. That's probably going to be a pain, but oh well, we'll get it off. Quick intermission here to drop off all your guys' orders from the birthday sale. Honestly, gotta hurry up and make it to the post office before it closes. You see what's happening? You see the ground? Yeah, we're supposed to get 8 to 12 inches of snow. I am so tired of this, guys. Beyond tired of it. But I want to show you something super, super cool. This is probably the closest to Illusion Purple I could get paint-wise. But what we're going to do is pan out to our truck bed, guys. Oh, almost spot on. Almost. Look at that, guys. That looks darn good. That's super close, if I do say so myself. It's not 100% on, but I will say it's pretty darn close. So that's awesome. This is almost going to be almost perfect. Guys, it's actually the next day here, but I'm gonna show you guys a cool little shipment we got today. Our friends over at Raptor Liner sent us bed liner. They sent us so much bed liner because they saw the video that Katie and I did on her F-150. Now it's probably got snow in it, so you can't really tell, but this bed liner, everyone asks how it's holding up. It's holding up all right. We do use this bed from time to time. Like, still good to go, guys. Prep work is key on this. That's for sure. If you do good prep work, you'll have a long-lasting bed liner, especially with these Raptor bed liner products. They're super awesome, super like easy DIY. The kit's relatively cheap for what you're gonna do. I'm gonna show you some cool things they sent us. They sent us 4 tintable bed liners, and they sent us 4 black bed liners. So tintable base, olive green. What other colors do we have? Navy blue. They sent us some of their new slip resistant additive. This is 2K Raptor primer, and this I think is 2K bed liner, Raptor 2K bed liner in a can. So we have a lot of awesome stuff, because obviously we're gonna be putting a Raptor bed liner in here. As soon as our friends over at Raptor Liner heard that, after we did it to Katie's truck, they were super thrilled and super excited to join this project as well. So I want to say thank you to Raptor. A lot of products of theirs to test and use, and obviously put in our beds. Thank you to the people over at U-Paul and Raptor Liner for hooking us up with these awesome products. But I need to take these doors off. But to do that, I like to have the window rolled down. Should probably get a new battery for this. I'm gonna open the garage, connect it to my Hellcat again. roll these windows down, and then there's 3 bolts on here. This one, and this one down here. So there's 3 10mm bolts, and there's the wire harness. Here we go. I should probably start this, but roll the windows down. Don't want to touch those together. It's fine. Power. This is how I've been driving, guys. I don't think I can go back. Yeah, no, I can only go forward. Slowly but surely we'll go forward and not hit the garage because we're driving blind. And slowly back without hitting Katie's truck. And forward. Without hitting whatever, I'm just kind of guessing. Definitely guessing. Alright. Good. Okay guys, so windows are rolled down. We have everything set up here. I kind of took the plastic off here and up here. What we're looking at, and I kind of took a screwdriver and got this rubber gasket off. What we got is kind of where the door, I guess, sends the wiring harness through, and then it comes to right here. So this is going to be your lock, unlock window, and that's about all the functions on this side of the truck. That second one kind of put up a fight. There's some kind of weird locking mechanism. I don't know what's going on. Anyway, we got those off, and you can pull them through. So now we got your harness, your door, everything's detached, and now all we do is take off these 3 10mm bolts, and we should be able to remove the door. Top 2 out, and we'll come down here and get the bottom one. Yes, I'm using a 1/2 impact because lost my 10mm 3/8 socket. Not as heavy as I thought. Just quite awkward to, I guess, carry that. All right, let's get the other one off. That was actually quite simple. We will probably get new vent visors, but definitely gonna do the channel ones. This is why I don't like the stick-on. For this exact matter, it sticks to your paint and it'll never like come off the way it should. So I don't know where I'm gonna put this door now. I guess I'll get some other cushion and put it over there. And then this bolt. Guys, this is super weird. Makes me miss my Jeep, really. I do want to pick one of those up here soon. I think that is going to do it for today's video. Oh, right now, my mind's in a million places. I got bolts everywhere. I got doors to a truck that are off. I got just stuff, just stuff. I need more space to like put things down, and like a workbench to like put these bolts here and that bolt's there, and this came from here and that came from the bumper, and I just need space. I really do. I'm like almost claustrophobic here in this just like a normal garage. I just got so much stuff everywhere and things, and my mind is just all over the place right now. So guys, what we have here is our 04 Silverado. Everything is pretty much disassembled mainly. In the next video, what we will be doing is I'm going to run over to Harbor Freight, pick up our, I don't know if it's even called a spot weld drill bit, but we're going to get these spot weld things drilled out. Rocker panel put up, everything measured where it needs to be so we can get it cut off. We're going to get our fenders off in the next video, and then we should be able to get to cutting. I want to get everything cut off this side and the other side. I do have my air punch over there, so we'll be able to punch holes, spot weld the rockers in, weld our cab corners in, and hopefully, if we're ambitious enough, we can get that all done in the next video. I hope we're ambitious enough, because I would love to have all that done and just on the vehicle. So between a little bit of body filler and sanding, this truck will be ready for primer. Hopefully this side goes super fast. Well, if you guys haven't been here before and you guys are enjoying this build, please get down there, click subscribe. If you enjoyed this video, shoot it a thumbs up. Take care. I will see you guys in the next video. We are getting closer and closer having this thing road worthy because it's just gonna be so fun and just relaxing to actually drive this thing. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.